Congratulations on buying your new ETQ TG32P31 3600 watt portable gasoline generator. This video will show you how to start and safely store the unit. First, remove the generator from its packaging and make sure the generator is on a level surface. Unscrew the oil cap and use a funnel to add engine oil until you can see it from above. Be sure to fasten the cap once you're done. Fuel to the generator. Remember to only use unleaded gasoline and to stay below the red warning line. Before you start the generator, make sure that all appliances are disconnected. Turn the fuel petcock to the on position. Make sure the AC/DC overload protection is also set to on. Pull the choke lever to the choke position. Pull the recoil starter slowly until you can feel the tension in the starter rope. Then, quickly pull the recoil starter handle to completely unwind the starter rope. Allow the engine to idle until warm, then push the choke lever back to finish starting the unit. You will need to have proper maintenance and storage for the generator if there are long periods of unuse. Change to a fresh batch of engine oil and lubricate the generator by pulling the recoil starter. Drain all gasoline from the fuel tank into an appropriate gasoline container. Once the fuel is cleared, turn the petcock to the on position. Use a 10mm socket wrench to loosen the carburetor drain screw. Then drain the gasoline from the carburetor into a suitable container. After cleaning the carburetor, tighten the drain screw securely, then turn the petcock to the off position. Remove the spark plug and clean it thoroughly. Pour about a tablespoon of clean engine oil into the cylinder. Crank the engine for several revolutions to distribute the oil. Then reinstall the spark plug and spark plug cap. You can now safely store your generator. ETQ from USA. Endless tough quality for your life.